Hello everyone and welcome to the Institute's monthly update for January and February. We're kicking off 2025 with plenty of energy, exciting events, and unwavering dedication to helping you thrive in the ever-evolving automotive aftermarket industry. So let's dive right in. So January 6th through the 8th, we had a leadership intensive in San Diego. We hosted a highly successful leadership intensive in sunny San Diego with record-breaking attendance and fantastic feedback from our participants. Shop owners honed their leadership skills, gained new perspectives on effective team building, and they left with actionable strategies to implement right away with their teams. On January 8th, 15th, and 22nd, we had the NWACA Leadership Series with Michael Smith. Michael Smith led a three-part leadership series for the NWACA. Participants received, step-by-step guidance on fostering a winning team culture, improving their communication, and developing the leadership skills that drive shop success. January 9th, the Venture Strategy Networks meeting in San Diego happened. Our VSN group gathered for an in-person meeting to exchange best practices, discuss some real-world shop challenges, and offer some fresh insights for their local community and what's going on in their neck of the woods. It was a day packed with collaboration, forward thinking, and a lot of shared solutions. January 15th through the 16th, the Gear Performance Group meeting in San Diego, our GPG members convened for 2 days of in-depth discussions, training sessions, and a full shop evaluation. Attendees walked away with some practical tactics for boosting performance and refining their operational approaches in 2025. January 17th through the 18th, we had the PAVE Online Conference, where Mark Sewell led two very impactful sessions with cutting-edge insights for service advisors and selling in the new economic market that we're dealing with right now. Cecil Bullard delivered one Power Pack session focusing on leadership, adaptability, and staying ahead of the rapidly shifting market again. This virtual session brought together industry experts to share best practices, new technology trends, and proven strategies to keep your shop at the forefront. On January 25th, the ASA Colorado Summit. Jimmy's session offered shop owners some critical tools to help improve customer interactions, enhance those conversion rates, and create a seamless customer experience right from the very first call. February 5th, 12th, and 19th, the NWACA Leadership Series continues with myself. I followed Michael Smith's January sessions. We continued with building on those previous lessons and diving deeper into some advanced leadership practices that truly transform how your team collaborates and performs. February 6th through the 8th, the Institute Summit. Amelia Island, Florida. The summit is right around the corner, and we are extremely excited. I know that my team has done a phenomenal job putting all of the pieces together for such a phenomenal conference. Some of the things that you can expect, we've got advanced training and keynote speakers. This is change management. This is leadership. This is future forward thinking. You guys can gain fresh ideas into all of that, including shop profitability, and get a finger on the pulse of the industry trends. We had a lot of hands-on workshops that helped you dive into practical exercises that you can immediately apply in your business. And it's a great opportunity to connect with like-minded professionals. If you don't make it to this one, we hope to see you in the next one. Leading Edge Pro Tips. We've been putting out more and more of those, so stay tuned on our social channels and email newsletters for these short, impactful videos. Each of these provides some tips for practical strategies to help you address everyday challenges while uncovering, hopefully, some new growth opportunities for yourself, your team, and your business. We're hiring. Coaches and facilitators are wanted. The Institute is expanding, and we're on the lookout for passionate individuals ready to help shop owners succeed. If you or someone you know fits this description, please reach out via our website for more information. As we move deeper into 2025, getting some traction, some momentum, remember that strong leadership, ongoing innovation, and commitment to team development are truly the pillars of success in our changing industry. The Institute is here to support you at every step of the way through our events, webinars, intensives, and pro tips so that you can thrive in the months ahead. Thank you all for joining us for this month's update. Again, we cannot wait to see you guys at the Institute Summit on February 6th through the 8th on Amelia Island. If you're already a member, please take advantage of our exclusive client rates and buy one, get one tickets for workshops and intensives. If you are not a member yet, take a chance. Reach out to learn how our programs can accelerate your growth. Thank you for joining us for this month's monthly update. Again, if you are already a member, take advantage of our exclusive client rates for buy one, get one tickets for our workshops or intensives for yourself or your team. And if you're not a member yet, I urge you, please reach out and talk to our team and learn how our programs can accelerate your growth. Here's to another month of innovation, collaboration, and setting the stage for a prosperous 2025.